I'm Sean Getter with Artex Manufacturing.
I'm Nick Klabundi with Artex Manufacturing.
Thank you for buying an Artex spreader with Raven technology. Today we're going to show you how to hook everything up inside the tractor. So with your Artex spreader, for everything inside the cab of your tractor, you'll have this box with all your in-cab tractor harnessing. So in that box, you will have a foot switch. This box ends in 080. And then this is the foot switch extension cable, ends in 398. Those two go together. And then this is your main wiring harness. So this is going to run from your battery to the back of your tractor. And this will be the 021 cable. This cable here is the ISO VT cable, ends in 092, and that will work in conjunction with your monitor once we get to that point. This box here will be your monitor for inside your cab, and also includes the GPS. So opening this box, you'll have your CR7 monitor, you'll have your GPS globe, which will mount on top of the cab of your tractor. And then to do all the mounting of the monitor, CR7, you're going to have like your dog bone and your magnet here for your GPS for the top of your cab. And then you'll have another cable ending in 373. So this one's going to go from your GPS to the back of your monitor. So the first bag you'll grab is a 021 bag. This bag here. This will have your main wire harness in it.
So you'll have 2 blacks, 2 red cables. These need to go direct to the battery. Hardwire up to the battery because there's a key power switch in here. As you turn the key on, you'll have power to the monitor. There'll also, which is this connection here, which is your key power. This will go to the back of the tractor, where these go to the front.
Okay, so now we got these all hooked up to the battery. Got the red ones to the positive and the black ones to the negative. Coming from the back of the tractor, from the battery, you're going to have this on the other end of that cable. This will be your IBBC connection.
In the cab for the 021 cable, we are going to have this end. It's going to have a couple pins in there. And that is going to connect with this 092 cable. That's going to have 2 ends. This end won't be used with the 500S globe, but this end will hook into the back of the CR7. Coming down from the globe, you'll have 2 ends that you need in the cab. This one will go in the back of the CR7. This one will go to a power supply. So all power supply ends from Raven will have a round plug with 3 pins in them. With being on a 4240, we're going to need to use some adapters to a 3 flat pin. back to the 092 cable, there will be another keyed power. It will be a 3-pin, but I have to go use an adapter again. There, our Raven turned on, starting up.
So in the CR7 box, you will have your 500S Raven Glow, and you will have your 373 cable, which Nick has here. So your Raven Glow has a little connection on the bottom, and the gray wire from that 373 cable in this bag will plug right into here. And if you have power, you should get a little light on there. And this also comes with some mounting hardware, magnets to put on the bottom to have a clear connection at the top of your cab for this globe.
Your master switch will be a 080, and your extension cable will be a 398 cable. Your master switch will have a 18 to 24 inch lead that will connect onto the master switch extension. Two pin. And the gray end will go to the back of the tractor. At the back of the tractor, we're going to take this foot switch extension cable along with the mounting hardware, which will be included in your extension cable. We're going to mount this to the back of the tractor and then get ready to hook it up.